Oh, hiya. Right, dilution sprays Mick got me from America. Can't remember the names of them. And brush or that's lime or something. And cherry pie.
Key lime
And
pie.
no. Anyway, brush yours as well. And that's in a brush or blue acrylic spray and two tattered angels. Glimmer, a green and another blue. Um, and I dibble dabbled them all on and squirted it and dried it. Stop giggling at me. Uh, that's the cherry pie. There, read them quick. Um, that's a pearly tattered angels one. There's no colour in it. That's another brushaw one. I think that's got glimmery sort of stuff in as well. One of them's called Rose. Right, now this is a homemade stencil out of a bit of takeaway food wrapper thing. I popped holes in it and burnt with a pin some little holes in it, and I'm bleaching through it and hitting it with dryer to sort of stop it from going too far back. Now I'm just using what I've already used to go around the edges and do the stems and leaves. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. Just mixing up, what I've already used, and then I was going to stamp a butterfly out and colour it in, but it was too big and I didn't want it full on like a pinned butterfly. I wanted it with movement. Now I'm using some green acrylic to do a bit more on the leaves and the stem, and just checking where I want butterflies. I put them on my blue tack. Doing a bit more on the stem. Sorry, I'm a boring you.
Mm-hmm.
Doing a bit more on the stem and leaves and checking butterflies and making sure. But it looks like, obviously giving it two really good coats of Mod Podge and then Mod Podging the butterflies down. It looks like what we call in England Queen Anne's lace, a type of flower. It's not any particular flower. That's me saying I love it. Like a big head of small flowers, seeds, open flowers. You know the type of thing. You see them on hedgerows. That's a close-up of a butterfly that's landed and is having a drink of nectar. And that's the butterfly that's just coming into land.
Or taking off.
Or taking off, yeah, it could be taking off. But there's bits in it that do actually look like petals and little flowers, and I just love this technique. But it is for the mixed media morsels silhouette, obviously. Uh, I'm really pleased with it. Really, really pleased with it. I thoroughly enjoyed doing it. Oh, bye bye. Thanks for watching. That's all, folks.